So this is part 2 of the empirical rule problem number 11, where we're looking at the percentage of scores that fall between two intervals. I've checked my answers so you can see what the answers are, but what's most important is that you understand how we got those numbers. So let me demonstrate. For the first problem, they ask us what percentage of the scores should fall between 447 and 547. Obviously, that's one standard deviation away from the mean. If we were to take 447 minus 547, we'd get a negative 100 divided by 100, which is the standard deviation. We'd get a z-score of -1. But what we know is that if we go plus or minus one standard deviation away from the mean, we capture 68% of the scores. If we go half of that, one standard deviation in the negative direction, we'll capture 34% or half of 68%. Likewise, for the next interval, going from 647 to 347, we're going one standard deviation above the mean and what turns out to be two standard deviations below the mean. If you calculate the z-score for 347, what you'll get is a -2. So, because we know if we go two standard deviations above and below the mean, we'll capture 95% of the data values. Half of 95 is 47.5 to cover these two standard deviations and one standard deviation above. Adding those together gets you 81.5% of the data value.